This is our second question in Chapter 10, and we will be looking at lump sum acquisition. Harlow's company purchased 2 buildings on 4 acres of land. The lump sum purchase price was $800,000. According to independent appraisals, the fair values were $470,000 and $330,000 for buildings A and B, and $250,000 for the land. Determine the initial valuation of the buildings and the land. So we've been given the fair values of each of the 3 assets here, land here, buildings A and B, for a total of $1,050,000. So what we're going to do is figure out the percentage of the total fair value of each asset, and then use that percentage, multiply it by our $800,000 purchase price, and that will tell us how much the initial valuation was for each independent asset. So first, let's take our $250,000 land asset and divide that number by the total fair value of all 3 assets, $1,050,000. And if you do that, you're going to get a percentage of 23.81%. Next, let's do building A. So we'll divide $470,000 by $1,050,000, and that calculation gives us 44.76%. And last, we'll do the $330,000 divided by $1,050,000, and that will give us 31.43%. And if you add up all these percentages, you'll note that they come to 100%. So that's a good check for us. So we see that our purchase price was $800,000. So we want to know in the price what each asset was valued at. So we take our percentage of the total fair value of all the assets and multiply it by the $800,000 purchase price. So first with land, 23.81% times 800,000. That's going to give us 190,476. Second, building A, 44.76% times 800,000. That's going to give us 358,095. Last, 31.43% times 800,000 for building B is going to give us 251,429. And if you add these 3 numbers up, the initial valuation for each asset, it's going to total $800,000, which is our purchase price.